Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic that you would not want to miss. We are going to show you how to create one-word captions, also known as word-by-word captions, using CapCut on both mobile and PC. So if you are ready to take your video editing skills to the next level, make sure to stick around until the end because we have some important information to share with you. Have you ever wondered how to make your captions appear one by one in your videos? Well, you are in luck. In this video, we are going to reveal a simple and effective technique using CapCut that will make your captions stand out and captivate your audience. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced video editor, this method is perfect for anyone looking to add a professional touch to their videos. But before we dive into the step-by-step process, I want you to emphasize the importance of watching this video until the end. We have some valuable tips and tricks that will make your word-by-word caption even more impactful. Plus, we will be sharing some bonus techniques that you will not find anywhere else. So let's start with CapCut PC. First of all, drag your project to the main timeline. My project is 4 minutes and 29 seconds. Let me cut into 1.5 second, 1.5 minute. So let me delete the audio. Now my project is 1 minute and 17 seconds, so that your time might not be wasted. Now click on auto captions and create captions. Wait for the system to create auto captions. You just have to follow exact once the subtitles has been created. Now come straight to the basic option. Come to extreme right side, increase the font size. These are optional, these are not necessary. Now click on effect. And choose the one you like most. And again, this is not necessary. Now click on animation and in caption, select pop-up and see. Play it and see the result. Make sure you click on the pop-up. If you click anywhere else, if you click on subtitles in timeline, this option will not appear. This only appears when you do not press any other button. Not click anywhere else, especially in timeline. If by any mistake you click on timeline or any other link, then again select all the subtitles and again this caption option will appear. Now let's move to mobile. Caption in mobile is very easy. First, launch your video in CapCut. Add it, click on the text and go to auto caption. Make sure you do not click anywhere else. Just follow the exact steps I am following. It is creating auto captions. Do not click on the subtitles, especially, or anything else on timeline. Now move, click on animation, click on caption, and this is your list. It has more options than CapCut PC. Now drag it to the upside and search for pop. And here it is. Now see the result in the above screen. You can choose other option too, but here is your desired result. Click on OK. play and see the result. Do not click anywhere else. Now, if you are satisfied, then you can export it. Moreover, you can expand it, you can give it artistic touch, or you can play with fonts. Click on the sign, OK sign, and export your video. We are done. We love hearing from our viewers, and your comments mean the world to us. If you find this video helpful or have any question, please don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. We read every single one and will do our best to respond to as many as possible. Your feedback and engagement not only motivate us to create more content but also help us understand your needs better. So let's make this a two-way conversation and start a dialogue in the comment section. Thank you very much.